In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Notion. If you regularly track repeating responsibilities like weekly check-ins, monthly reports, content planning, or routine reminders, setting up recurring tasks in Notion can save you a lot of time. Instead of manually creating the same task over and over again, you can build a template once and let Notion handle the repetition for you automatically. To get started, open your Notion task database. This should be the database where you normally manage your to-dos, projects, or ongoing work. Once you're inside the database, you'll be creating a template that Notion can reuse whenever a repeated task needs to appear. Next, create a task template. This template acts like a reusable version of a task, so anything you include here can be applied automatically each time the recurring task is generated. This is especially useful if your repeated tasks always need the same structure or information. After that, set the task details you want to repeat. For example, you might want the task to include a title, a status, a due date format, tags, priority, assignee fields, or notes that always stay the same. The goal here is to prepare the task exactly the way you want it to appear each time it's created. Taking an extra moment here can help keep your workflow consistent and organized. Once the task details are ready, open the template settings. This is where you'll find the option to make the template recurring instead of using it only as a one-time manual template. If you don't immediately see the correct option, look through the template controls carefully, since Notion groups these settings inside the template menu. From there, choose the repeat or recurring schedule. This tells Notion that the template should automatically generate new tasks on a schedule rather than waiting for you to apply it yourself. Now select how often the task should repeat. Depending on your workflow, this might be daily, weekly, monthly, or another interval available in your workspace. Choose the frequency that matches how often you need that task to come back. It's a good idea to double check this setting before saving because the timing determines when future tasks will appear. Then save the recurring template. This locks in the schedule and the task setup, so Notion can begin creating those repeated entries for you. Finally, check your database to confirm new tasks are created automatically. This last step is important because it helps you verify that the recurring setup is working as expected. Once confirmed, you'll have a more reliable and automated system for managing repeat tasks in Notion.